Hey guys, welcome to my channel where we talk about Forex automation. How can we trade Forex using automation tools, automation softwares, or anything? This specific video is not about any specific EA or any robot, but yes, we are using all of them together, and I'm not specifically uploading any specific EA video, right? This is just a combination of strategies, all of them together in through copy trading. I have already uploaded a couple of EA in the past, and all of them are working very well. And but since like most of the people, some of them would not like to purchase the EA just for the effort, like whether it is going to work or not, and how to use the EA, when to use the EA, and when to use the indicator, how to use the indicator. I mean, just a combination of some a couple of things like EA, robots, indicators, semi-automation systems, and all. Right? And so that is the reason, and a couple of people asked me a couple of times like whether you can manage our account or not. So I thought that let me try this copy trading because because I have been using all those EAs and also like a couple of other systems, and I just thought that let me share the results with you, and how the things are working on. Okay. So, and since the 4 weeks of training has been completed, so I just thought to share the results as well, because a couple of people were asking me like what is going on, like when your next video on the EA is coming. So I'm still testing on the videos, I mean testing on the EAs, and maybe in next uh, coming week, or maybe next to next week, I will be able to upload. Okay, so let's start with this copy trading thing. Copy trading is nothing actually. It is something that like I'm trading on my account, and you are just copying what I'm trading for. Okay, and I have included like five kind of strategies there. A strategy in terms of say like swing trading, scalping, intraday, and even I included it gold also. Okay, and our target is to keep the drawdown as low as possible and to provide consistent and stable profit, and keeping the account safety in mind, of course. And I'm there at your support whenever you need me. Just based on the demographic factors or the geographical location, I mean, the wait time could be a little longer. I mean, not on the same time when you ask me questions, but yes, absolutely on the same day as soon as I see the message. Okay, I think that is fair enough. These find the five strategies that we have used here: HG6, EV8, ES2, ESG, and EVG. I have created videos individually on each of them because I don't want you to get confused with, I mean, what kind of strategy that we talked about, what kind of results was there, and to correlate or miscorrelate with each other. Okay, so I have created these strategies, videos individually, and the links are there in the description. Right now, we'll be talking about these two are the gold thing. I mean, the gold trading things, and now that we're talking about is the ESG. ESG is again an gold strategy that we are using here. It is a scalping. Uh, okay, so this is what gold lovers actually most of. I mean, not most, but many of the people would like to trade on gold, and they don't like much the currency pair trading. Okay. And this is a trend-based intraday scalping. So sorry, it is using the scalping strategy, and for this I suggest at least 2,000 US dollars per 0.01 lot. Okay, since the gold is very volatile, so at least this much of amount I suggest for at least 0.01 lot, even for 0.01 lot. Okay, because gold itself is very volatile and quite risky, and scalping in gold then again like it is something uh, that you are putting an ice on a cake, right? So scalping in gold is very risky for novice traders as well, but with this strategy we tried so that most of you can scalp trade on gold too, while keeping drawdown as low as possible. This is a trial. Okay, this is a free trial. Even if you have not traded gold earlier or afraid to trade it, then also like you can try this strategy. Of course, gold is more riskier as compared to the currency pair trading. Okay, but still you can choose this strategy and trade on gold, because this is all on your demo account. And personally, I have chosen this strategy to include because I saw some potential here. Definitely higher profit, higher drawdown, and higher risk, right? So if you can take comparatively a little more risk, then still I suggest you to try this strategy. Scalping is comparatively more riskier than swing trading, but I suggest you to try this strategy. This is a free trial, so feel free to trade on demo account. There is nothing to lose, right? And decide later if the strategy is working well for you or not. We started on 3rd of May, and our target for the gold. For other things, we kept our target between 12 to 20%, but for gold, we kept our target, minimum target, 20 to 30%. Our EVG has already exceeded the target, and now let's talk about ESG. Okay, so let's go. This is what we started with 1500. However, I mentioned 2000 there because 2000 is something that I definitely suggest at least 2000. But since I mentioned about 1500 in my previous video, so I started with 1500. However, in the real account, you need to add some more margin and and start with a little higher balance than what I suggested earlier by mistake. Okay, so with the same I started 1500 what I mentioned, and let's go. Since this is scalping, so it has opened a lot of trade. Guys, I have just extracted the report for this entire 4 weeks because that can show you better what kind of drawdown was there, what kind of I mean, all the things like what you want to see over there, even all these trades as well. Oh, this has not even finished the 3rd of May trades so far. Guys, this is going to take more time. I think I should move it a little fast because we will be sharing you the report as well. Okay, so let me just use this one and go a little faster. Okay. Anyways, let's go to this one. I have just the only mistake that I did is actually I sorted it on the basis of lot size because I wanted to check like what was the maximum lot size it has used so far. So you might see some difference in between the trading days, but it is the same because I have just sorted like I just wanted to see like what kind of lot size it has used at the max. So we started on 3rd of May, as you can see over here. I'm just going slowly. Not slowly, actually I have to move it like this, otherwise like it will take hours to complete this one. See the my scroll mouse has hanged a bit. Anyways, it is working now. I'm just scrolling it from the scratch. You can see it over here. So this is very aggressive actually. This strategy is very aggressive, and I mean you understand that scalping has to be aggressive because it has to close the trades within that specific time interval, right? And scalping is always done on a lower time frame. So lower time frame you have to close the trade, otherwise in the higher time frame may change the lower time frame in some time based on the trend, right? So So scalping is a little riskier. Like who don't know how to trade, I would not suggest them to trade scalping. And people who know how the scalping works, definitely it is very good to make profits. You see this actually, I have I mean, if I go actually all these were zero point 0.01 lot, now zero point 0.02 lot started. So actually it is something that I have done by mistake. Actually I just wanted to see that at what that how much lot size it has gone to, the maximum lot size that it has used so far. Okay, so the maximum lot size you can see it was so on a couple of occasions it has used a little higher, but generally like it was all managed, right? So and the floating PL you can see 6.45 here. Let me show you. It is now, since the market has opened and it's moving, so it is a little higher. I mean, then what is it? Because it will always have a difference, right? It will always uh, have that kind of difference. So total profit we made, like that is almost like 175%. So that is too much. uh, I personally don't digest that kind of profit, but yes, in gold you can definitely make so much of profit. And the scalping is very profitable if it is going in the right direction, in the right strategy, using the right strategy. Okay, so it is something that is the result for 4 weeks. You can see the profit factor, the maximal drawdown, the relative drawdown, and the absolute drawdown. Everything is there. See if you would like to take this trial. I would definitely recommend, because since it's a free trial, and if you are a gold lover, you should definitely try it. Okay, so this is all about the ESG. And this trial, like we thought uh, to close it by second week of June, but now actually we are just open for to extend it for another couple of weeks. So guys, feel free to join it. And this is not for the people like who think just forex is a cash machine and your expectation and ROI is too unrealistic. I already mentioned that our target is 20 to 30%. Okay, so whatever it has given, that is a plus, but we want to keep it like the minimum 20% to 30% range. We can't control the market, right? So like it is all like what the God has blessed with more profit, that is good, but we don't keep that kind of expectation. And you can choose as many strategies as you want to check and test on your own demo account, because there is nothing to lose. You are trying this on your own demo account, right? Like trading it on your demo account, at how the trades are going on, how you are closing the trades, how the trades are being closed in the case of drawdown, if there is very high fluctuation in NFP or interest rate, or like, I mean, all that kind of thing. I mean, you will like to see it in your own account, because own account give you a sense of belongingness, right? You can see someone else report or something that will not give you that kind of feeling. And I really want only the real traders. Okay, real traders who want to trade. So even if you can't afford a VPS for this trading or maybe free trial, I mean, then there is no point in discussing about the drawdown. I mean, about the report or something like that. I have already shown you the report. Okay, and just try this on I mean, as many strategies possible, ESG and EVG and other kind of strategies, because there is nothing to lose. And I think like these kind of strategies will suit most of the people that are there. Maybe conservative growth or maybe aggressive. So try, test and review and decide at the end of the trial if any of them matches your expectation. We will also publish the result of all these 5 trading strategies in our Telegram channel all together at the end of the trial, with detailed reports individually for each of the 5 strategies. Okay, because since the trial is still going on, so I will just complete the trial once, and I will upload the publish all the result of these 5 strategies. But till then, the free trial would have been closed. So like better, like if you're serious, then please join now. I can still provide you a couple of more weeks the free trial. You can connect me on Telegram or join the Telegram channel. The link is in the description. If you have any further query, you can ask me. And all the details are in the channel on how to join and what are the details you require or I require from you. Everything is there. So please join the channel and I will keep you updated over there. Till then, take care, stay safe, and stay happy with your family, and look forward to trade with you again. Bye.